Transferring an Amazon gift card balance. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. So let's get started. The first step is log into your Amazon account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the gift card section. Within the gift card section, you will see various options for gift cards. Click any of them. And to proceed, for example, you select Amazon gift card, you will be taken to a page where you can see the different options and designs for Amazon gift card. A screen like this will appear. As you can see, I have all of the gift card designs mentioned here. After this, Amazon gift card, you will see a different denominations or tags to gift cards. Choose the one you want to transfer. You will need to enter the details of the gift card, as you can see here, to, from, message, quantity and delivery date. After that, entering the gift card details, you will prompted to enter the email address of the recipient to whom you want to send the gift card. You may have the option to choose a design for the digital gift card available. Select the design you prefer from the available option and then check out. That's all. That's how you will be able to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account.